You just gotta love Sheila. In a place where few teachers would want to go, a Filipina did. Teaching is in her heart. Physics, her passion. And getting students to love physics, her goal.
Let's build rockets and fly them.
With zero budget, she rallied the community, raised funds, even auctioning goats. So successful was her rocketry program, her physics class gained national attention. Sheila won the coveted U.S. Aerospace Teacher of the Year award. Beyond physics, Sheila taught her class how to think, how to live life, and how to fly like a rocket. Teachers that fly, homegrown in the Philippines.
I am Teacher Sheila, and I am the Philippines.